So, celebrating making it on to Mcdojo life. This is, like many pages or channels you might find on the internet, something that is devoted to making fun of folks, and we'll talk a little bit more about that. So, there is a type of pathology which is behind these types of channels, and it's fairly rampant in all worlds, whether it's martial arts. It's really prevalent in Tai Chi and in spiritual circles as well. Any energetic training usually has this, and that pathology is the following. It is a self-aggrandizing, derisive condescension that exists to unify a group of people under the flag of superiority in relation to another group of people. And this can be, again, prevalent in any field, any endeavor. And this type of attitude, I think, just makes the world a worse place. And so you get a whole bunch of people who go, we are better than these people because what they're doing is dumb. We're clearly smarter. We're right. They're wrong. And I think it's typically best we get the most out of assuming that maybe, just maybe, we don't understand what it is that we're seeing or hearing. Maybe the person or people that we are othering, so to speak, maybe they're also intelligent humans. Who would have thought? Maybe they've spent a lot of time exploring whatever path they're doing, and maybe there's something of value there. So we want to look at ourselves deeply and acknowledge any time where we feel superior, better than other people, and take those moments, those opportunities, to have a hard look at ourselves. Really look in the mirror on that one. Spend some time with it, and it's a useful thing to meditate on, explore it, and work on releasing that, and see what deeper truths lie beneath the thing that you were making fun of or trying to impose whatever, idea you're currently idolizing in your own mind. So I get this. We all want friends. We all want community. However, coming together from a place and perspective of, again, group self-aggrandization, condescension, and derisive superiority. It's kind of gross. So, and I get it. 15 years ago, I would look at myself now and feel like, what a dork. This guy's full of shit. But, that's then, this is now. So, anyway, I just wanted to make this video, and I think it's an important thing we can look at in ourselves. There's a lot of value in exploring this. So, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for your time. And if you're interested in training, you can find me on the website. All right, bye.